Alright, we got the F-15 Eagle on deck. Full speed, back pressure coming up. Still a very chilly morning, 33 degrees. Got about a 6 mile an hour crosswind. Bring it in over here a little closer to us on a flyby. This is on a Hobby Star 2200 4-cell. This is my 5th flight of the day. My thumbs are about froze off, so I might try to make one more flight. Before I pack it up. Not surprisingly, I'm the only one out here due to the cold weather. When I first got here, it wasn't bad. Only had about a 3 mile an hour breeze. But now that the wind's picking up, makes it a little cool. About a minute left. Try high speed here in front of us. If you put your ailerons down on low, man, this thing is just such a smooth flyer. I have mine on low with about 30% expo, I think. There's that nasty old fun meter going off. I'm going to go around one more time. She's a little high. And I was a little fast when I was on my approach. I'm about 60% throttle right now. Start cutting down about 40%. 30. 20 in the turn. Let it settle in. 0 dead sticking. 1 tick. And let it roll out. And there we have it, New Year's Eve flight of the F-15 Eagle, second flight of the day for it. I think I want to call it a day. The old fingers and thumbs are getting numb. Thanks for watching.